Hello! So, our today's topic in maths is fractions, part 2. So, as you all know that in the previous video in fractions, we studied about that how to compare the fractions. So, today we learn about that how to arrange the fractions in ascending and descending order. So, to arrange the fractions in ascending or descending order, we have to first see the smallest or biggest fraction according to the denominators or numerators. So as you all know that in the previous video we studied that how to compare the fractions. So it is the same thing when we have to arrange in ascending or descending order. First we have to see that which is the smallest or biggest fraction according to the denominators or numerators. Then accordingly we have to arrange the fractions. Now if the numerators and denominators of the fractions are different, then we take out the LCM of all the denominators. Then we have to multiply the denominators to get the LCM, and also we have to multiply the numerators with the same number. Now let's start with the exercises. Arrange the fractions in ascending order. 2 upon 9, 5 upon 9, 1 upon 9 and 4 upon 9. So as you all can see that the denominators of the fractions are same. So the ascending order of the fractions is 1 upon 9, 2 upon 9, 4 upon 9 and 5 upon 9 because here the denominators are same. All the denominators are 9 and in ascending order means from small to big. So the smallest fraction is 1 upon 9, then 2 upon 9, then 4 upon 9 and then 5 upon 9. Arrange the fractions in descending order. 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 9 and 4 upon 5. So as you can see that all the denominators are different. Here it is 2, 4, here it is 9 and here it is 5. So first we have to take out the LCM. So the LCM of the denominators is 180. The LCM of 2, 4, 9 and 5 is 180. So now we have to multiply the denominators to get the LCM's number. So what was the first fraction? 1 upon 2. So I wrote here 1 upon 2. And here 2 we have to get 180. So what we'll do to get 180? We'll multiply 2 by 90. So 2 by 90 is 180. And also here 1 we have to multiply by 90. And here 4, when we multiply by 4 by 45 we get 180. And 3 by 45 we have to multiply with the numerator. 9 by 20 and here 5 by 36. The final fractions are 90 upon 180, 135 upon 180, 100 upon 180 and 144 upon 180. So the descending order is 144 upon 180, 135 upon 180, 100 upon 180 and 90 upon 180. But this is not the final descending order. What the fractions we were given was 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 9 and 4 upon 5. So we have to write them accordingly. So as 144 upon 180 was the first fractions when we found the LCM, and 144 upon 180 represents 4 upon 5. So as you all can see here it is 4 upon 5 and here in the last it is 144 upon 180. That means 144 upon 180 represents 4 upon 5. So first 4 upon 5, then 3 upon 4, because here 135 upon 180 represents 3 upon 4, then 100 upon 180, that means 5 upon 9, then 90 upon 180 means 1 upon 2. The final descending order is 4 upon 5, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 9 and 1 upon 2.